Welcome back to the channel. Today we have a new unboxing. This is a laser engraver cover. This is supposed to be able to fit the xTool D1, also the Atomstack A5 M50 that I have. So this is going to be awesome. So let's go ahead and get this set up. This is just what I need. Now, be very careful when you open this up with a knife. So included, a pair of gloves, instructions, wow, check this out. Okay, so there's the actual cover. This is the frame, these are the connectors for the frame and for the exhaust vent. Alright, so let's go ahead and we'll get these all laid out and we'll go from there. Okay, now with everything that is here, this thing will be 650 by 650 by 330 millimeters. That is huge. That is more than big enough to fit the Atomstack A5 M50 and the xTool D1. So if you have either one, this would be a great option. Alright, so let's go ahead and we'll put this thing together. Okay, so we have the basic frame all set up, and right here is the opening. So here you have on both sides, you have the shorter, so that way you can, this will be where you open it up and you can put your product in and access to your laser. So overall, I mean, this thing is huge. Holy cow. Now easily fit the D1 and the Atomstack A5 M50. Holy cow. This thing is wow. Now in this part here, you might want some help. And I'm taking the little bolt, screwing it into the back here. If I can get lined up. There we go. I love this screwdriver. It's absolutely perfect for little jobs like these. and voila. And then this for when you don't need your exhaust vent. There you go. Perfect. And it's 2.5 inches. That's really nice that they put that on there. That's a nice touch. This is a 75mm vent, just to let everyone know. And there you go. There you have it. I mean, it is all said and done. I mean, look at that. That's nice. So, huge shout out to Comgrow. Thank you, thank you, thank you. This is going to be amazing. I'm going to be putting this on my Atomstack A5 M50. This is going to be fantastic. I mean, the extra protection here, I mean, that's wonderful. Absolutely wonderful. And here's a look on the inside for anyone that's wondering. It's being held down by 4 Velcros. Here, 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 and here. And yeah, I mean, you just gotta tighten it up just a little bit on the corner, but once you do that, man, I mean, this is, I mean, that's solid. That's not going anywhere. Oh, and I forgot one last little thing. These 2 little 3/8, they go right here to protect the cover. Fit very snugly right there to protect the corners and edges. I mean, this is fabric that is fire resistant. So this is amazing. This is great. This is just what I needed. So again, thank you so much to the makers of Comgrow. I'm going to link right here, also in the description of the website, and my affiliate link. It helps me out just a little bit. I appreciate everything. I really hope you guys enjoy this video. We're going to check this out. On the next video, you will see this and all my future videos. So here we go. All the future videos with the Atomstack A5 M50. So again, thank you, thank you, thank you. Have a blessed day, everyone, and keep creating.